Hi coaches, my name is Noah Ripley and I am one of the reps that works with Fleet Feet Pacific Northwest, and I also represent Nathan and CEP, and those are two of the brands that you all were seated and from my understanding will be wearing during the Fleet Feet Run Club events and while working with the participants. So I just wanted to create a couple quick videos that highlighted the products that you received, just so you're better able to talk about them. You can just talk about a few really quick features and benefits for the products that you'll be wearing. Thanks for coaching. We really appreciate the time and effort that you're putting into this, and let us know if we can do anything to better support you all. So jumping right in, from Nathan, you all should have received either the Vapor CRAR or Vapor How, and those are race vests, and then the Exo Shot. So those are the two products that you should have in hand, one or the other. Jumping right in, the Vapor CRAR and Vapor How, they are men and women specific. The white is the women's, blue is the men's. And we call them race vests, not packs, because they're tight fitting to your body. A lot of the pockets don't have zippers, but everything's held in place just by the force that pack of just gently pressing on your body, keeping everything together. They are absolutely the best race vests. I actually raced in this exact pack last weekend in a 50K, and in terms of racing, they can't be beat. So everything is front and center. So you have two soft flasks right here and right here that reach up, so you can easily drink from either. You can take them out. I was taking them out just prior to getting to the aid stations. Easy to unscrew, fill them up, and then put them back in your jacket. And then it has a ton of zippers and pockets that you can access from the front side. So it has two zippers here. I just put some gels in there. They have additional pockets right here and right here. And I had some food. I think I also had some salt tablets as well. And then they have two more pockets right there and right there. And I think I put some shot blocks and like a bandana or a sweatband in one of those. And so everything that you need can happen right here. So as you're running, you don't need to stop, take off the pack, access anything from the back side. Everything is just right here. But in that same vein, if you're going on any sort of bigger expedition, they do have pockets in the back. So a zipper pocket here, you can put your phone in there. They have then two additional pockets right there and right there that are just separated by a little wall. And that's where you could put a bladder in if you wanted to take these guys out, or if you just wanted more water. All of the Pacific Northwest Fleet Feet stores have 1.5 liter bladders, which you could recommend to put in this. And that's a great way to, maybe you're doing a longer trek where there's not going to be water. That's something I'd recommend. A lot of times I'll take out one of these bladders and I'll put in a soft bladder that I have that's just a water filter. And so pretty nice. I always put a bag of potato chips in the back instead of a bladder because it's about the same size. But just a really great pack. So the absolute ideal for racing, but then outside of racing, any big run, they're gonna serve whatever purpose you need. So again, you could put up a 1.5 liter bladder in the back for longer treks. If you don't have a water filter or something like that, tons of room for food, lots of storage. So I would talk about those features, especially if they want to race in a pack. This is absolutely the pack for them. It's amazing. It's great. It fits really tight to your body. Like I said, it's a vest and it fits like a vest. So everything's close to your center of gravity, and just feels, especially towards the end of the 50K when I drank all my water and eaten all my food, I didn't notice I had it on. So that's what you want. It's completely no extra weight really added in. Super light. Again, looks great, feels great. Men and women specific, and then they have sizing within the men and women. So extra small all the way up to extra large. So really great product there. Something I definitely recommend if you're, like I said, you don't have to be serious about racing, but it's the best race pack. Outside of racing, also a solid option just for everyday hikes and runs and treks and that sort of thing. And then secondly, a lot of you should have received the Exo Shot. And this is a soft flask that I use anytime I'm not using the Vapor CRAR. And for me, anytime I'm going under 2 hours, I'm probably not going to need a pack, but I still want a little bit of water and a little bit of food, and that's what this is going to provide. So this specific pack is 14 ounces, and it does have just a little pocket right there that you can put some nutrition in of some kind. So, I mean, for me, like I said, anything under 2 hours, I'll usually go this route. And then over 2 hours, if I'm running over 2 hours, it's usually going to be like an adventure run, if not a 50K. So that's when I'll go to a pack. So a lot of utility. I know it seems like quite a jump, but honestly, you know, this is just going to prevent you from bonking on a day when maybe you're running an hour or an hour and a half, and you just need a little extra something to keep your body from going off the deep end. So that's the Nathan product that you all should have received, the Exo Shot, and then the Vapor Craw or Vapor How. Yeah, let us know if you have any questions whatsoever. Again, thanks for being coaches, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.